Look at the moon on a quiet night. It seems so serene, so still, a silent guardian watching the earth. But what if I told you that this calm, glowing orb was born from a cataclysmic inferno? That it exists because of a violent cosmic collision that nearly tore Earth apart. The moon is not just a rock drifting through space, it is a ghost of a lost world, a survivor of destruction, and Earth's eternal companion. To understand its origins, we must rewind time 4.5 billion years to an era when our planet was young and the solar system was a chaotic battleground of colliding worlds. This is the story of Theia, the rogue planet that slammed into Earth with the force of a million nuclear bombs. A story of fire, destruction, and rebirth, of how, out of unimaginable chaos, our moon was born. The moon's birth is a story of violence, chaos, and cosmic destiny. Imagine the early solar system, a wild, lawless place where newborn planets were still figuring out their orbits, and collisions were as common as morning coffee. About 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was just a young molten rock, still cooling from its own chaotic formation. Then came a planetary intruder, a Mars sized body we now call Theia. This wasn't just a little bump, it was a collision so catastrophic that it nearly shattered Earth itself. Theia slammed into our young planet at an angle, like a cosmic wrecking ball, blasting trillions of tons of molten rock and metal into space. This debris formed a massive ring of fire and fury around the Earth, glowing brighter than anything in the night sky. For a while, Earth had Saturn like rings, swirling with molten rock and metal. But gravity is an artist. It sculpted this chaos into a single glowing orb. Over thousands of years, the debris clumped together, cooled, and solidified into the moon we see today. But here's the twist: the moon was much closer to Earth back then, looming 15 times larger in the sky than it does now. Imagine a giant glowing world dominating the heavens, pulling the tides into monstrous waves hundreds of feet high. The moon is not just random rock, it's mostly made out of Earth's own material, making it our lost twin, forged from the same cosmic fire. But it's also different. The moon lacks a strong iron core, suggesting Theia's core merged with Earth's. Its surface is covered in scars, evidence of ancient asteroid bombardments. It's slowly escaping Earth's grip, drifting away at 3.8 centimeters per year. So, in the far future, there will be no total solar eclipses. That catastrophic collision did not just give us the moon, it stabilized Earth's tilt, giving us seasons and a climate stable enough for life to evolve. If Theia had never hit Earth, we might not even exist. So, next time you look at the moon, remember it's a ghost of a lost world, a relic of cosmic disaster, and the guardian that made life on Earth possible. Thank you so much for listening.